Today we will do a quick review of this little portable washer, which is the Costway 26lbs portable semi-automatic washing machine with built-in drain pump. First, let's try it out and wash some dirty clothes I have. To begin with, you just select the wash time to get started.
So now we are going to start adding some clothes to the washer.
As I started adding the clothes and the machine starts doing its job, I can actually see the dirt coming out of the shirts. I have set the timer to wash for 9 minutes while I drink some coffee and check my email, which I couldn't do when I had to go to the laundromat. And this is one of the reasons why I decided to buy this product. I prefer not having to leave my place to go wash, and instead, I can stay home and take care of other things. Although there's a laundry room downstairs in my apartments, sometimes it takes a while to get it done because the machines are being used. They also have limited hours from 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. Anyway, after we are done washing, it's time to put the clothes in the spinner, which I wouldn't recommend overloading too much. Remember to place this cover correctly so that the load stays in place and won't get stuck. Then make sure to close the external cover, otherwise, it won't work. This is a safety precaution. After that, select the desired spin time and just wait until it's finished. Once the spin is over, you will notice that your clothes are almost dry. If I've put them on the balcony when it's sunny, it usually takes 2 hours to dry. But if I hang them inside the apartment, I usually leave them until the next day, and everything is completely dry. I would say this product works okay, but I would only recommend it for small things like shirts, shorts, and just your regular clothes, and I think it's perfect for underwear. But I wouldn't recommend it for bulky stuff like big blankets or anything too heavy. However, if your apartment or house has hooks for a real washer, I say go for it. This product is more for people whose place does not have hooks for washers and are just tired of going to the laundromat all the time. I think it might be good for a camper, trailer, or people who live on the road. In fact, when I get my camper for my road trips, I might install this in the vehicle. Who knows? Well, thanks for watching and have a good wash. I mean a good day.